The new Milwaukee 12-inch dual-bevel compound miter saws feature a single lever bevel adjustment with 9 positive stops. The large paddle can be placed in 3 positions. In the top position, the saw head bevels freely with no detent stops. In the middle position, the saw head can bevel left and right but will stop at bevel detents. In the bottom position, the saw head is solidly locked into the desired angle. Quick, easy, accurate. That's why Milwaukee's single lever bevel adjustment system is the best in the industry.